morning tayo dyan guys. Ako nga po pala si Charls, Dominic, Sebastian from BS Civil Engineering 1C. Gagawa po tayo na ngayon ng health-related physical activities from HCC Holy Cross College. Teacher po namin dito si Kim Ira Benaventura. So mga guys, gagawa po tayo ng 12 po na physical activities. So ayun po mga guys, tutok lang po kayo. So ayun po, gagawa po ako ng zipper test and sit and reach. So first yung sit and reach. The second one is zipper test. So one is push up. Pasang niya. The fourth one is basic plank, 3 minutes.
One eternity later.
The fifth one is 3 minutes step test.
Few moments later.
This one is the left and right stand test. So the first one is left foot.
Few moments later.
So the second one is right foot.
Few moments later.
So the next one is agility test, hexagon test. So the next one is the long jump test from this and from there. Okay, stop. This is sprint test, 40 meters from there to there. Now let's start. One is stick drop test. Pasensya na po kayo sa background namin.
Oh no!